Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Lindner, and I'm going to go over where you can find your assignments on Google Classroom. This is your main home screen you know when you open up the class with the stream here. I've disabled the assignments from showing up in the stream, so the only thing that you will see there are important announcements. On the left over here, you have what's coming up, so whatever is due today and whatever is due tomorrow. Then if you come up to classwork at the top and click on that, it'll show you all of the topics over here, which are matched to your must-do table, so grammar, journaling, vocabulary, writing, math, and reading. And then you've got science and social studies, which will be linked to your may-dos. There's also a Navigating Early Read Aloud. Miss V will continue to read aloud Navigating Early and post each of the chapters here so that you can listen to them. You can also see each of the assignments by scrolling down here. So we've got grammar with the assignments and the due dates, journaling, vocabulary, so everything is here. So just remember, the assignments will not be posted to the stream. You have to come up top and click on classwork. If you have any questions, you can email me, you can call me, or you can request to do a Zoom meeting, or you can stop in during Zoom office hours, which is just an open time that you can hop on to the Zoom link, and I will be there to answer any questions. Thank you.